I'm going to show you how to add Flipgrid to your Canvas account so that you can use Flipgrid in your class. In order to add Flipgrid, you're going to need to go down to your settings. You see I'm moving my mouse down here so that you can find your settings. So click Settings. And adding an app is new to me too, so I may misspeak here and there, so have some patience with me. All right, so after you click Settings, it's going to take you first to your course details, but we're not going to stay there. We're going to go over here to Apps. So go click on Apps. And these are the different apps that are available, but what we're looking for is Flipgrid. So we're going to go in here where it says Filter by Name, and we're going to start typing in Flipgrid. And there it is, so go ahead and click on it. And here is Flipgrid, and right here it says Add App, so that's what we want to do. All right, so when we click Add App, it has some stuff it wants us to put here, but we have to go get that information. So I'm going to show you how to get that information. So let's open up another tab up here, and we need to go to the Flipgrid website. Now, when you go to the Flipgrid website, you will need to go in and create your own account. So that's something that you will need to go ahead and do ahead of time. Don't worry, it's not too hard. I know that you can create a website, like, make a username and password and stuff. So go in and do that. After you've created your username and password, up here at the top, it will show your name. So you're going to go up here and hit your drop down menu. And you see where it says integrations? Integrations. Click that integrations. All right, so right here where it says consumer key, click copy. Go back over here. We're going back to my Canvas course. You see how I'm up here? Go back to your Canvas course, consumer key, and you're going to paste that consumer key code. All right, now we got to go get the shared secret. So we're going to go back to the Flipgrid, and we're going to copy the shared secret. And we're going to go back to Canvas, and we're going to paste the shared secret. And we're going to add the app. All right, so now you saw that it popped up at the top. The app was added successfully. That is how you add the Flipgrid app to your Canvas course, and I will make a separate video as to how to use the Flipgrid app, but I just wanted to show you how to add it first.